guys, it's your girl Sin. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. So today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and get my nails done. It's just a typical day, a typical Friday in Miami. I decided to go get my nails done. I haven't got my nails done in a little bit, and your girl needs to get her nails done. So I'm gonna go get my nails done. My appointment is at 12 o'clock. It is currently my appointment's at 12 o'clock. It is currently 11:47. So thank God my appointment is literally across the street, so I can leave my house a little bit late. It is extremely hot in Miami. I wanted to take the roof off of my Jeep, but the weather in Miami is very bipolar, and I don't know if it's gonna rain, and I don't want to get my car drenched. So I know it's time for that. And my brother is going to wash my car today, so that should be fun. So I'll see you guys at the nail shop. You guys, isn't my book bag really cute? Do you know how long it took me to find this freaking book bag? Like, it was sold out everywhere, on Spencer's, on Hot Topic. I finally found it on Amazon. If I can find it, I'll leave the link below. But it says Cynthia, my name on it, and I'm totally obsessed. I bring this book bag with me everywhere. Okay, so I'm on my way to a nail shop. Oh my god, it's so hot in Miami. Like, what's going on? Your girl is hot. So thank God my appointment is not that far from my house. So I wanted to stop and get some Starbucks, but I'm not gonna have any time to stop and get some Starbucks. My appointment is literally in 10 minutes. So yeah, that's a bummer. I usually get Starbucks before I go get my nails done, just to have something to sip on, or maybe like a water bottle. But I ran out of water at the house, so hopefully they have water there, because if I don't, I'll probably have a panic attack. Anybody that knows me knows I'm like addicted to water. Like, I have to have like a couple of bottles of water with me, and if I don't, I need to have, like, from out, I need to have like a glass of water next to me. Like, I'm obsessed with water. I have to have water. It's the only thing I drink like other than liquor. So yeah, I have to have water. So, but I'm on my way to an appointment. I'm almost there.
I saw you soon as you came bouncing through the door. You and your mans and members took over the floor. Started doing your thing, and it made me notice you even more. I'm feeling you right here and right now. Your smile and all the love you show me lets me know that you like what you see and wanna get to know me too. This could very well be the start of something special. I'm happy that I met you. I ain't even gonna lie, I ain't even gonna lie. Since you walked up in the club, I've been giving you the energy. We can dance if you want. be visiting or are you new in town? Yeah, whatever the case, I'm feeling you.
Okay, I just got my nails done. And it's my favorite color. It's yellow. Yellow is my favorite color. And it's like a neon color. This is so cute. It looks pastel when I like bring it back, but then if you look forward, it's neon. So I'm gonna head over to my brother's house because he's going to wash my car. So I'm about to like head over to my brother's house. He's going to wash my car, and then he's going to wash his car. If you guys are not subscribed to his channel, go ahead and subscribe to his channel. I'll make sure I'll link it down below. He has a channel as well. So make sure you guys subscribe to his channel, because I will be on that channel as well. Just doing little features here and there. Okay, heat is hot, but it's not unbearable. So I can't wait to eat. I haven't eaten all day. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat crab. Crab is like my favorite thing to eat. I love seafood. Like, it doesn't matter what it is. Like, I love seafood. I love crab. I love shrimp. I love lobster. I love mussels. I love seafood. I can eat crabs all day. Like, stone crabs, queen crab all day, king crab all day. Especially when I watch those like mukbangs with like Nick Avocado or B Love, and they're just like chomping down on all of the seafood. I'm just like, I want to eat some of that seafood. Seafood is not cheap. Seafood is expensive. Like, so expensive. Oh, look, there's another Jeep. Do you guys see that Jeep? See, it's a beautiful day in Miami. See, about that Jeep life. I can't wait to finish hooking up my Jeep. Like, I want to get new tires. I want to get new rims. I want to get a lot of stuff for like interior. I want to get some grab bars or grab handles for the people in the back. My poor friends, when they try to jump in my Jeep and they have nowhere to grab so they can get on. I want to get some side rails because that's highly important. You know what? I fell out of my Jeep the other day. Short girl problems. 5'3". Short girl problems. I literally fell out my Jeep. I need to like install my side rails. Like, it's imperative. Because I keep falling out of my Jeep, and it's not funny like going to Walmart or going to like Walgreens and like falling out of my Jeep. That's not cute. That's not cute. Especially if I have heels on and I'm trying to get in my Jeep. Forget it. Like, I have to get in barefoot and then put my heels on.
Right here and right now.
Almost broke a nail. Are you washing my car?
Right, you're on there parking back your car.
Why are you being an asshole? Why didn't you leave a spot for me to park? Say hello to my subscribers.
I look like shit right now.
Can you move your car a little bit so I can move my car next to yours? Okay, but you're gonna wash my car too, so.
Can you cut the camera off, man?
Why do you want to cut the camera off? You're gonna wash two cars at the same time.
No, we're not. We're gonna do one at a time.
Why are we doing one at a
It's
time?
a better looking car than the ugly car.
My car looks good.
It ain't a Hemi, so it don't matter.
Whatever. So what is? Didn't you tell me you whatchamacallit?
We big both.
Oh my God, Nicholas, what happened?
Bruh.
Stupid
birds, bro.
What happened to the car?
Literally went to Walmart for 2 seconds last night. Parked under the tree. That was my mistake. Parking under the tree. I come back, the whole car fully loaded with shit.
Hey, you can't curse on my channel. They're gonna demonetize me, man. So I'm at my brother's house. I am inside of the house because it's hot, so hot in Miami. So he's about to wash his car first, and then he's probably gonna wash mine after. But I'm on the couch in the AC because it's too hot outside. So he's gonna start with his car, then do mine, and then we're gonna go get crabs because I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything today. Like, I'm so hungry. I'm hungry.